What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Daily Dose of D, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be shaving my face. Yes, shaving my entire face for you guys. It's called dermaplaning, and I got this idea from a few YouTubers like Tiffany B, Miss Aaliyah J, so you guys can go check out their videos. This is gonna be very interesting. I never ever shaved my face before. I maybe waxed my lips, my eyebrows before, but I never shaved my entire face. It's supposed to be good for the appearance of your skin and acne and stuff like that. So we gonna see how it goes, and stay tuned. Okay, so if you guys want to try this at home, these are the few items you're probably gonna need. Straight razors that you use for your eyebrows, some aloe vera gel, some alcohol, and you're gonna need oil for your skin afterwards, and a hot rag, or if you have a steamer, use a steamer. I don't have a steamer, so I'm gonna just use a hot rag. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing what I'm gonna do is clean my face with some alcohol. Oh, that's strong. Okay, just want to get all the dirt off your face, dirt and sweat off the day from all day. Okay, so you guys probably don't know, or you probably do know just by watching though, I am a pretty hairy person. I do have really thick hair. You know, my eyebrows aren't that thick, but I do have hair on my arms, hair on my legs, you know, thick sideburns and stuff like that. So we're gonna be shaving this off today. Not everything, but we're gonna be shaving this off today and see how it turns out and see how good my skin looks afterwards, okay? Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is just wash my face with this Maraud clarifying cleanser. Okay, so I don't have a steamer, so what I'm gonna do is just wet this rag and get it really hot. So I'm just gonna let my water run, let the water get really hot and steamy, and then I'm just gonna steam my face. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put on this aloe vera aloe vera gel on my face. Looks just like this. Alright, let's start shaving. I don't know where to begin. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, I'm scared. I'm doing it. Oh, God. think the aloe vera gel is drying, so I'm gonna have to put some more on. I should have just put wherever spot I was at. I cut myself. If I have to show you my nose now, shave some of my hair off. Oh, I feel like my complexion, look at that. My complexion's already brighter. Cool. There's nothing wrong with my complexion already, guys. You know, I just gotta say that because, you know, I'm trying to do my eyebrows somehow. How am I supposed to do that? I think I'm pretty much done. That was faster than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna rinse this off with a hot rag. Y'all, like, look at my complexion. Like, it's already brighter. You can see the dark, like, spots, I guess. It took off like the first layer of my face, like right here too. I don't have the best camera, you know, I'm using my phone, but look at that right here. That's crazy. I did nick myself right here and right there. This is my first time, so you know, I never even used this for my eyebrows before. I know some females do, but never use these for my eyebrows. I'm like, look. Ooh, 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 ooh. So now I'm going to clean my face off again with alcohol. And I know this is going to sting. I am not looking forward to this, but it has to get cleaned. I'm scared. Okay. Start. Ooh, okay, it's starting to burn. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with the alcohol. Now I'm gonna go back in with a hot rag again to open up them pores. Ooh. Feels good. Feels so good. Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some Aunt Jackie's Soft All Over here. It's a multi-purpose hair oil. Well, you can use it for your face, skin, and hair. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that, and I'm gonna go in with some 100% tea tree oil too, because this is good for the skin. Just a few dabs. Alright, you guys, so that's it. It was quicker. It was way quicker than I thought I did. I think it turned out pretty good. I might do this again next month. It looks really, really good. Face feels so good. Feels so clean and moisturized. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you want me to try anything else with skin, hair, makeup, anything, pranks, challenges, let me know. I'm on the road to 50 subscribers. Love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay?
That is on, be